Hey there, y'all. Sorry I cannot be with you guys today, but I do want to real quickly show you and actually have you listen to beats before you actually start learning about what they are. Beats occur when you have two waves whose frequencies are very close to each other, but not exactly each other. And then it's an alternating pattern that is caused by the alternating constructive and destructive interference. So what I have back here in the lab is two sets of speakers. One right there and one right there, and you'll notice that both of them have the same frequency right now, 439.8 hertz. 439.8, 439.8. So one set of speakers, a second set of speakers. So I'm going to turn both of these up so that you can hear them. Alright, so both of them are going full blast at the same frequency of 439.8 hertz. What I want you to do is listen to what happens when I turn one of them to a slightly different frequency. So notice as I get closer to getting them to be the same, this one is still 439.8, that you start to hear a more and more rapid oscillating loud and soft pattern. So what you're hearing from the speakers right now, that woo 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 pattern, are referred to as beats. The frequencies are close, 445, 439, but they're not exactly the same. As the frequencies get closer, there's more and more time between the beats until finally they're the same and the beats go away. So this is how piano tuners will tune instruments using a tuning fork. They play the instrument, they play the tuning fork, and then they adjust until those beats go away. As the beats get closer together, they know that they're moving farther apart, and as the beats get farther apart, they know the two frequencies are getting closer and closer to each other. And so that's how a tuning fork can be used to tune an instrument like a piano or something like that. So I'm going to leave this set up here in the back of the classroom during class. You can see where it is, back here in the back corner. If it's okay with the substitute, you can go back there and explore with it. Please don't explore too long, otherwise you're going to run out of time in class. You're going to use your laptop and Desmos to graph two waves whose frequencies are slightly different from each other, and then hopefully you can see where those beats are formed. As always, if you have questions, please let me know, and until then, ta-ta.